Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We are back with our Huafit Watch S8 Smartwatch, and on this video, we are going to focus on the menus and features available in the wearable. The last video, it's all about design, specs, and UI. This time, it's all about the offered features. So if you are interested to know more about the features or the functions available in the Watch S8, watch this video. And again, if you find this video useful, like, share, and subscribe. Alright, so let's begin and explore the different functions available in the Watch S8. So here in the packaging, we do have some details about its features. We have multi-sports mode, 24-hour heart rate, and what else? We have here, it is using the JU Pro application. I think it is in the user manual. We have all the details. Here in the smartwatch, we can explore that in the main menu. Okay, we have here the settings and other options. On the bottom part, we have the notification function, we have the split screen, and we have the cards. To access the main menu, just swipe the screen here. We have the split screen, tap here on the bottom part, and we have the main menu. So let's change first the menu here. Let's make it a list so we can understand the icon. Okay, so for the main menu, we have automatic activity tracking here, monitoring the steps, calories, and time. We have the sleep monitoring. We have the sleep data here. This includes the awake time, REM, light, and restful sleep. Then we also have here the heart rate. We have the maximum and the minimum heart rate. We have the Bluetooth call. We have some exercises here. We'll check it out later on. We have exercise records, blood oxygen monitoring. We also have here the stress monitoring, weather report, message notifications. We also have a shutter, remote photo control for your camera or for the camera on your phone. We have the music player or Bluetooth music control. We have relaxation, AI voice. We have timer, alarm. We have stopwatch also, cycle tracking, world clock, find phone, the calculator, games. How many games do we have? We only have one. And the settings. In the settings, we have the display, the brightness, sleep. We'll make it 15. We have the watch face. Going back, we have the menu view. We have how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have at least 5. Then we have low power mode or power saving mode. To activate the Bluetooth call, we have an option here, and the about version, Huafit S8. We have the version here, app download, JU Pro app. We have the system, that is in restart, power off, and reset. Again, let's double check. Going back. Okay, split screen. Again, here are the different menus before we proceed to the sports functions. It got the basic, the same way the previous Huafit smartwatch. Okay, for the games or for the sports, we have here the exercise. We have walking, running, cycling, skipping, badminton, basketball, football. We also have it here. Swimming, climbing, tennis, rugby, golf, yoga, fitness, dancing, baseball. So we have a lot of sports functions here. This includes indoor and outdoor sports functions. Let's see the categories here. We have water sports, outdoor activities. The popular one, it will appear here, the sports that you recently, I think you always access. We have outdoor activities, trainings. So these are the categories here. Dance, combat sports, ball sports, winter sports, recreational sports, and other sports. Okay, so that's it for the different features available in our Huafit Watch S8 Smartwatch. Okay, so what do you think of this wearable? Is it good when it comes to the design as well as features? Drop a comment below. Again, if you have any questions regarding this wearable, drop a comment below. And of course, like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Bye.